Okay, so I just wanted to kind of just show you guys the magic of sodium lactate. So I made these two big loaves a couple days ago, and I stupidly forgot my sodium lactate, which was my bad, my problem. I did it, I admit it, I forget. But I made this one last night, not terribly late, kind of late. Like I think I finished it totally around like 10 o'clock-ish, but I added sodium lactate. These guys, like I said, 2 days ago, no sodium lactate. I make little samples of these extras just so you guys can kind of get an idea of what things smell like, and you know, a little bit of batching to make sure that my the batch is okay. And obviously here's the ones from this bee soap here, which I say obviously, but you haven't seen the inside yet, but this is from this bee soap last night. And the sodium lactate, thanks to that, these are immediately ready to come out. Now they're a little rough looking. That's not the soap's fault. This was like super hard and I kind of like smushed it in there. But you can see that with basically no effort at all, I can just pop these guys right out, no problem. They're slightly soft still because I didn't pop them, but they're not impossible. Like I said, I'm not really having to work hard to get them out. Now these, I did not add sodium lactate, so I'm going to be very careful because they are super duper soft still, but they are ready to come out. But you see how these were actually poured pretty soft, and this still didn't totally set up yet. Like this is still super, super soft. Like I could, you know, wipe Gertie's little face right off if I wanted to. All right, so I am gonna try to unmold the smaller of the two of these and see how it comes out. If you've been watching this channel for a second, you may recognize this little lemon dish towel. Sorry. It's basically my favorite thing to unmold onto. It's got a little bit of cushion. I think it looks cute. I could easily throw it in the washer, so it's, you know, sustainable. So the nice thing about these Workshop Heritage molds is they peel like so. So I'm just gonna try to carefully, ooh, it's still really soft. Sideways. Oh, and she nails the corners. Gorgeous. This is still soft, so I don't want to play with it too much, but that's actually not terrible. Just gonna fix my mold. The problem with these molds, if you have them, is they're a little delicate. You kind of have to baby them a little bit. You can't wash them and fling them over to the side. You have to unmold them and then, you know, put the mold back in the original shape it was in and hand wash it. Don't put them in your dishwasher. Don't stretch them. Just wash and then nicely put them to the side, preferably back in the mold they came in. All right, so that went so well. Let's do the bigger one. So this one's just 6 pounds. It's not that much. Move this. This one is 11 pounds, so it's a little bigger, but I do like that they make their molds and there we go, and their silicone, so it just kind of pops out. Had I done the mistake I made with this in another loaf mold, I would probably still wouldn't even be trying to get this out. So let's see if I can whip it up so you guys can see. Oh, I don't want to get our corners icky. No icky corners, no icky corners. Yay, a little squish, but not terrible. Not terrible at all. Right, this one's a little heavier, so I don't know if I can do this trick, but we'll try. Please don't squish, please don't squish, please don't squish. Yay! Another perfect corner. Hooray. Yay me. Oh, it's not screwed up by putting it down wrong. There we go. Okay, good. All right, last one, but I'm gonna restart the video feed because that one's gonna get its own video.